Hi team, I'm very happy to meet all of you through this short video. I'm going to clear some of your doubts on the free 25 days spoken English program which we have planned to conduct in the month of December. There are many questions which might have been going inside your mind. I think it is my duty to clear all those doubts. The first doubt is whether the program will have the quality. Since it is being offered free of cost, whether it will meet the standards of which the great institutions follow as far as the spoken English programs are concerned. T. Emocare. Emocare has been in the training industry for the past 20 years. We have been taking spoken English programs across various colleges across India. We have taken spoken English programs in colleges, schools and corporate companies. We have taken accent training. We have taken communicative English programs in corporate companies, and we have taken the complete spoken English programs in various colleges across India. All these videos you will be able to see in our YouTube channel. So we have a great reputation and we have great experience as far as the spoken English training programs are conducted. The same program which we are going to offer free of cost all over the world is being offered today in Emocare by charging 8,000 rupees per month. Now we thought we have to offer this program all over India free of cost, and we are getting many requests from the people from outside India also. So team, I guarantee you for the quality. The second aspect, why this is being offered free of cost. When I started learning English, it was a tough journey. When I started learning English, I got a very good mentor, trainer. His name is Mr. Dastige. He didn't charge a penny. He taught us spoken English. He taught spoken English free of cost to many people. I do not know whether he will be watching this video at this moment. He was the inspiration for me to learn English. He is such a trainer. He is such a wonderful trainer in English that if you give him one word in English, he will give 15 synonyms and 15 antonyms spontaneously. Even 30 years before, he used to just talk the way the BBC talks, the BBC English, the American accent. He used to talk spontaneously and used to give motivation to all of us. Now, I learned English free of cost, and I think I have to train the people free of cost to pass this knowledge to the world. That is the first aspect. The second aspect, spoken English is very, very easy actually. It is going to be one of the very, very easy aspects. The only thing we are not able to talk fluently in English because of fear, that is first thing. The second aspect, we have not been trained properly in English. If you ask people what are vowels, they will say A, E, I, O, U is vowel. But A, E, I, O, U is not vowel. The sound produced by A, E, I, O, U is vowel. A, E, I, O, U, it produces 20 sounds. Whether we have been trained, whether we got trained in the 20 sounds, no. If at all you want to speak in a language, you have to think in that language. Do we have a complete training on how to think in English? Now, learning English or learning any language is a skill. Now, we have learned the language as a knowledge. In many of the colleges, in many of the universities, in many of the places, even in spoken English training centers, the moment you join for spoken English, they used to train the grammar, isn't it? If you go to a village, there will be many people who have not entered the school, but they are talking fluently in their mother tongue. If you take Tamil, nobody has taught him the verb, noun, etc., but they are talking in that language. So to learn a language, the requirement of a grammar is very less. Apart from the grammar, there are many other aspects which have to be done. If you do it properly, you can talk fluent English. Team, I don't have any shame, or I don't feel any shame to tell that I got 16 marks in 10th standard. No, I don't feel shame, because now I am able to talk in English. And all these aspects goes to Mr. Dastigar. Now, I would like to repay it in the same way to the public, free of cost. And I assure you, team, the training program will have the complete quality and it is well structured. And in this program, many people are going to assist you. It is not that only Shivakumar is going to train English. There are many people. We have people from Tamil. So you are going to get Tamil equivalents. You will get assistance in Tamil. You will get assistance from Hindi. Even I welcome people from other languages also to join with us in this great journey. So team, I request you to share this with your friends, share with your relatives. There is no age bar. Anyone who wants to learn English can join, because we are going to start from the scratch. That is, we are going to start from the vowels and consonants, parts of speech, tenses, sequence of tenses, etc. Apart from this, every day there will be reading practice. We will be having tongue twisters. It is more a skill-oriented program, a skill-oriented training. And I assure you that really you will be feeling that you have taken one of the right decision in 2020, and 2021 you will be able to even take classes on spoken English. Our aim is not to make you talk in English. Our aim is to make everyone who attends our program to train the other people in English. Team, I am waiting to meet all of you. Share this with as many people as possible. The training will happen for 1 hour daily, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. through Zoom and also through YouTube. Team, come, let's empower ourselves and let us empower everyone. Come on.